Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on a South African product called Vana Naturals. They sent me this product. This video isn't sponsored at all, so I do want to give them a shout out and say thank you so much for sending me your products. In today's video, you'll see me use 3 of their products. I'm going to use their mask, leave-in as well as styler, and these are the results of the styler. In today's video, you'll see me apply all 3 of them, but before we get into that, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. As I said guys, these are the results. I really like them. These are results that I personally like. Not a lot of volume, and I also have quite a bit of length. I love the shine, and I also like the way my curls are clumped together. Now, one of the issues I have with my hair is that my curls don't clump. It's not a big issue, but I'm just sharing. We all have different things that, bother us at some time in our journey, and for me, I find that my curls don't clump. If you're somebody who has curls that clump together, you're really gonna like the styler, but I'll tell you a little bit more about that later. But as I keep saying, these are the results and I'm quite happy. I washed my hair off camera and then I applied the mask. This is the Vana Make Me Soft. This is the deep conditioning hibiscus mask with argan and black cumin oil. While applying this mask, I did find it to be a bit pasty. The color of the mask, as well as all the products that I'm going to use in today's video, are like a light pink beige kind of color, and they all smell the same as well. There's a very soft smell that comes out of it. I can't really put my finger on what it is, but it's a soft smell. It's not very fruity. So I applied this mask in sections, and I could not detangle during this process because I found that this mask didn't give any slip at all. So I just applied the mask. The directions on the packaging, it says that you must leave it for 15 to 25 minutes. It also says, our intensive Make Me Strong mask conditions deeply and revives dry, damaged hair to reveal soft, moisturized, shiny, bouncy curls. And it also says apply as much mask as needed on clean, damp hair and distribute the product evenly from roots to tip. To experience the benefits of this deep penetrating treatment, apply the mask evenly throughout the hair, cover with a plastic cap, and apply moderate heat or steam for 15 to 25 minutes. And it also says that you must rinse it out with cool water. Something else about the mask is that it's free from phthalates, mineral oils, petroleum, paraffin, synthetic fragrances, and synthetic colors, and also something called formaldehyde. I'm going to put it all in the description box down below. I rinsed the mask out with cool water and my hair was okay. My hair felt softer than when I was applying it because it was very pasty for me personally, but I rinsed it out with cool water and you guys can see the results. Then I started the styling process with the leave-in conditioner. This is the Vana Naturals Make Me Soft Intense Moisture Hibiscus Leave-In Curl Primer with Avocado and Grapefruit Oil. And I'll also put in the description box, like, it also doesn't have phthalates, mineral oils, and synthetic colors and fragrances. And it says it's ideal for coily, curly, wavy, natural hair textures. So how do we use this leave-in conditioner? It says this moisturizing leave-in curl primer is fortified with a botanical blend of shea butter, hibiscus extract, and rich argan and avocado oils to nourish and promote soft, manageable hair. Safe from breakage. It is specifically formulated for softer, thinner textures, and I kind of do agree with that, especially when I can see, like, I can't say how flat my hair is because there's not much volume, so I can see how thinner textures will benefit from this leave-in conditioner. And it says use it daily as a leave-in treatment to refresh your curls between wash days or after washing your hair as part of your styling routine. And for best results, use it to prepare and prime your hair for protective styles, twist outs, braid outs, roller sets. After rinsing out the Vana Naturals Make Me Strong Deep Conditioning Hibiscus Mask. And then it also gives you a pro tip. It says this is a buildable formula, so use a little at a time. Now you'll see me apply this and I did use a lot. I also found this leave-in conditioner very pasty with no slip at all. I couldn't detangle. So what I did was, off camera, I needed to do something, in the house, for 5 minutes or so. So I had the leave-in conditioner on, did what I needed to do, and then came back. It was obviously off camera to detangle my hair, and I found that leaving this leave-in conditioner on for 2 to 5 minutes actually helped make my hair softer and help the detangling process. Personally, I could not apply and detangle together. I had to leave this leave-in on for a little bit longer in order to detangle. So that was something that I just personally found with this leave-in conditioner. Leave it on a little bit longer and then detangle. My hair is soft, my hair is moisturized, and it does work like a curl primer. And then I ended off with their styler, which is the Vana Naturals Make Me Curly Moisturizing Hibiscus Curl Defining and Styling Cream with Argan and Shea Butter. And as I keep saying throughout this video, these are the results. I used quite a lot. I think a little goes a long way. It is a cream. My hair doesn't really like creams, but I kind of see the direction that this product is going in. Again, in the description box, I'll put, that it's free from phthalates, parabens, etc. And then it's also ideal for coily, curly, wavy and natural hair textures. And it says that this ultra moisturizing Make Me Curly styling cream is suitable for thin, softer hair and thick, coarser hair, and gives flexible medium hold and definition to your unique natural curl patterns for twist outs, braid outs, roller sets. Now I'm just going to talk about my results. I have a lot of definition, no crunch. When it comes to cream stylers, most of them don't give much crunch, and that's why a lot of people kind of like cream stylers, because a lot of people don't like cast. I like the shine, I like the length, and I also like the definition that it gives. And as I said earlier, if your curls have a nice clump, and when I say clump, you can see I have individual curls. I don't have the bigger kind of locks. If your hair does that, you'll like it. Something that is an absolute bonus with this product is you use very, very little product. A little goes a long way, and that's something that I really like about this. As it says, you can use it for protective styles, twist outs, braid outs. I think it will do a good job on a twist out as well, especially on my type of hair. What I do like is I can fluff my hair out and I can make it bigger if I want to. When I woke up this morning, not much frizz, but I do kind of like this type of volume, or not much volume for me personally on day 2 hair, because I know day 3 and day 4 my hair will get bigger and bigger. And that's it, guys. This is my video on me using a local South African brand called Vana Naturals. I really did enjoy using it. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you sending me this, and I will see you guys in another video. Take care.